YouTube channel. I have here Rihanna. So today we're having makeup tutorial.
Again?
Yeah? Or maybe not. What about? I mean a light makeup. A little bit of lip. There's no eyes. Just brows and like lash.
Yeah.
Just that. So we will start on with me first. I'm going to start with this powder.
And I use this for my brows. I know
Yeah,
it's for
because
the
Kylie
eyes.
is dark.
It have a black, so I just use it.
Yeah, she just used it. She's pouring powder. It's Louis Vuitton. Check.
Yeah, it's Louis Vuitton.
Oh yeah, it is Louis Vuitton. What? So for next time, we're going to use nude as my mirror for like, yeah. I guess I want colored brows. No.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. With the sponge and a Louis Vuitton powder.
I hate the word pulbo.
So what pulbo?
Pulbo's bana.
Oh yeah. That's a language in Philippines. I hate the word pulbo. Pulbo. Like, ano sila mama? Ang bira tong pulbo. Pulbos. Pulbos. So ignore us. Do it. Because maybe you don't understand.
So guys, these are for my first brows. Oh, it's not yet so blended. I need to blend it out, guys.
Gosh, I'm done.
Yes.
Powder?
You want me to do your brows?
Maybe, yeah. I'm terrible at doing it. Okay, for lash, I'm just going to use lash for a sec. Wait for a sec after we're done. I'm going to use the waterproof mascara. After you say this, I will be right back. I'm done with my mascara and now I'm going to blend it. So I will be right back. Guys, I'm sorry for the background noise because it's just from the radio. So we will be right back. Peace, guys. I'm done with my brows. And her too. She's just putting setting powder on her brows. So we're going to do the lip. Lipstick that I will use is Sunny's Face. Please. After I'm going to use this, I'm going to pause my lip, guys, and now I'm going to use matte blusher. I will pause this and I will be done for a sec. Bye. Guys, I'm done. So I'm still waiting for her because she's not yet done.
My too white, guys.
So sorry if I posted because I'm sorry for the background noise because it was from the radio. So after she's done, and I'm going to pause and say goodbye.
Hey guys, I'm back. This is the most worst review of my makeup tutorials. You can see in my makeup tutorials it was so beautiful, so gorgeous, but this one,
So we're going to have this happy. Oh, blurry. She's having a little bit of trouble brushing her hair. So bye bye guys. Mwah.